Good morning everyone, we're back in La Paz. We took an overnight bus from Uyuni here to the wonderful city of La Paz. Now we are at the bus station and we're going to go and get a bus that leaves at 8 o'clock to Copacabana. So let's see where the bus is. Wonderful building here. Very nice bus terminal. Hola. Wow. So we are in San Pedro de Tiquina, San Pedro de Tiquina. So our bus took us from the other side of the river, and we caught this small little boat here that was 2 bolivianos, very cheap. And the buses, they will be on these other highly barges. As you can see, there's one there. San Pedro de Tiquina. Can't believe they use planks of wood to get these heavy buses off. This is all done by hand, look at that. You wouldn't see that in Europe. There is our bus. Take number 2. Made it. We finally made it. It was a beautiful ride with buses, boats, loads of bends, loads of bumpy roads, but we made it here. We are in Copacabana. What a beautiful church. Let's hope it's open so we can have a look inside. (3,847 meters of altitude). So yeah, sometimes when you walk fast you sort of get out of breath quite quick. So what we got here: Santuario Nacional de la Virgen de Copacabana in Bolivia. Inca Cola. It's a typical Peruvian drink. Tacuña. Here we go. Just having a little break. Something not Bolivian, but it's okay. With this beautiful view. In Copacabana, go here, El Condor and the Eagle Cafe. Highly recommend it. Fantastic view, decent prices and very good coffee. So we're hiking all the way up here to the viewpoint. It's about 20 minutes from the town, but it's very steep climb. Of course you've got altitude here, so yeah, make sure you take it nice and slow. But I'm nearly there. Whoa, look at this. Wow. This is the reward that you get. So this is the Archero del Calvario, or Sendero del Calvario. Nearly there. Yes, I made it. As usual, let's have a look at the altitude. Let's see. (3,994). I reckon up there we're going to be at 4,000. So we've hiked all the way down there, all the way up here. So this is it. We're going to go back down and explore more of Copacabana. So this is part of Bolivia, obviously Copacabana, and down there, I'm going to try to zoom in a bit, down there, that is Peru. So later on we will be passing the border over the other side, so that coast down there, that's all Peru. Down a bit. taxi driver to drive us here to the main viewpoint, as you can see. And look at the view from here. You can actually see everything from here. Before we were up, just up there, up that little mountain. So we are back from the viewpoint. It was quite nice to go up there and see different point of view. It's quite cheap, the taxi, 20 bolivianos, that's nothing really. So we're gonna go and explore because the Santuario Nacional is actually open now. So you was not allowed to do any pictures in the Santuario Nacional, unfortunately. But if you are in Copacabana, I do recommend visiting this church. It's very, very nice inside. Highly recommended. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go down to the seafront and just sit down, have something to drink, and just wait until 6 o'clock when our bus for Puno comes. T'es resté quelques jours, t'es parti, t'es revenu, du coup, pour faire une addition, c'est chiant. Ja, stimmt. Officially in Peru. Past the border, which was down there, walked all the way here, and down there is Peru. So we have arrived at our hotel in Puno, Hostel Sol Andina. Nice double bed, private toilet, not too bad. And this was, guess what, 12 British pounds, and that includes breakfast as well. That's an absolutely bargain.